Copy and paste are two of the most basic functions that you can do on a computer. Everyone knows how to do it, but did you know that in Microsoft Word you can copy and paste up to 24 blocks of text in one action? Well, let me show you how it works. So I've got this Microsoft document set up. It's 3 pages of randomly generated text. And that's actually something that Microsoft Word can do, is randomly generate text if you need to create text placeholders for any reason. But that's something we'll cover in a future tech tip. Now, let's say I have to pull out sentences from this document and paste them into a new document for some reason. Well, I could do that one at a time by highlighting a sentence and then switching to a new document and pasting it, and then coming back here, highlighting another, copying it and pasting it, and so on. Or I can do it all in one move with the clipboard. So to do that, we need to open the clipboard, which can be done in the top left. We have the word clipboard when I'm on the home tab of our ribbon. I have the clipboard here, and then I have this little arrow pointing sort of down and to the right. When I click on that, it will open up our clipboard. And now what I can do is I can start copying text. So let's grab a sentence here, a couple of sentences here. Perfect. We'll copy that. We'll grab a couple sentences here. Copy that. Let's grab this whole document, this whole paragraph, copy that. Let's grab another sentence from here to here. And as you can see, as I'm copying this, it's adding it to the clipboard. We can grab this here, this whole paragraph. Let's grab this sentence here. We'll go to here. That sounds good. Copy that. And then one more here. And copy that. Now I can create a new document and simply paste all from the clipboard, and it dumps all of that text into my new document. Now, one quick heads up, the formatting may be a little wacky. Like you'll see I have this weird period here. I didn't highlight, or maybe I had highlighted that when I copied it. At any rate, you may need to do a little formatting to clean this up, but rather than copying a sentence or a section one at a time and pasting it into a new document, we can do it all at once with the clipboard. Now, one thing to note, the clipboard can only hold 24 copies. If you copy a 25th item, the first item that you copied will get removed from the list. So it has a 24 copy limit. So keep that in mind, but hopefully you won't have to go beyond that, or you'll just do it in 2 different copy and pastes. So as you can see, using the clipboard in Microsoft Word is a piece of cake. You can copy up to 24 different blocks of text and paste it in one move, which saves you a bunch of time. I find this really useful if I'm working on a laptop where I only have one screen. You know, I've got 2 monitors behind me, so copying and pasting between 2 documents is pretty easy. But when I'm on a small laptop, being able to copy up to 24 different blocks of text at once and paste it all at once really saves me a lot of time and aggravation. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, hit the subscribe button. We release new tech tips every weekday at noon, as well as 2 live stream projects every weekday at 10 and 2. And check out the DAE.com for our full list of online classes, workshops, and private lessons. And if you've got an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me do, throw it in the comments and I will do my best. Thanks so much and have a great day.